Hi, I just wanted to take a minute and watch a quick video with you. So give me 60 seconds and we're going to find out some really awesome ways to stay cool this summer. It is so important that you don't get overheated because it makes you feel really yucky. And I don't want you to feel like that. So here we go. I'm going to drop myself down into the corner here and play a quick video. Let's watch and see how my son Luke shows us some awesome ways to stay cool. Aha! He's found a frozen treat. I think he likes it. Now he's found a quiet place inside where it's cool. It's important to remember you can't run around all day long outside. You have to find moments to cool off. A little tablet time is okay. Oh, now he's found the water sprinkler in the backyard. It's okay if you don't have a pool to splash around in. Sprinklers are just as fun and can really cool you off. Hi, Jack. Hi, BB. Those are my dogs. And now Luke is flying in the wind of a fan. It creates a nice cool breeze. Well, I think Luke has the right idea. Four great ways to stay cool. Thanks, Luke. Wasn't that cool? All right, now remember four ways to stay cool. Find water that you can splash around in, whether it's or in a sprinkler. Find a nice, quiet place inside, out of the sun, where you can cool off. And remember, little tablet time is okay. Or watch a quick movie. But remember, don't stay techie for more than an hour. It's not good for your eyes or your mind. Now, another way is to find some cool air, whether it's turn on the air conditioning or a cool fan, and just chill out and reduce your activity. And finally, my favorite way to stay cool is find a nice frozen treat. Gotta love a nice fresh root beer float. Remember, stay cool this summer, and I'll see you back in class very soon.